Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into the art of inline editing Trello cards. It's a skill that can significantly speed up your workflow, so let's get started. First up, locate the card you want to edit on your Trello board. This step is crucial as the card contains all the information you want to modify. It can be a task, a note, or even a project milestone. Now that we've located the card, it's time to enter the edit mode. To do this, just hover over the card and click on it. This action opens up the card back where you can modify the card's details. The reason we do this is to gain access to all the editable elements of the card, such as its description, comments, labels, and due dates. Next up, we're going to do the actual inline editing. Click on the part of the card that you want to edit, like the description or a comment. Then simply type in your changes. You'll notice that as you type, your changes are saved automatically. This helps us because it eliminates the need to press any save button, making the process faster and more seamless. Once you've typed in all your changes, just hit Enter on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the text box to finalize the changes. The text box will close and your edited content will be displayed. This is important because it signifies that your changes have been saved and applied to the card. Let me explain why this matters. Inline editing is a quick way to make changes to your Trello cards directly from the board view without having to open each card individually. It makes your Trello experience more efficient, especially when you're managing multiple tasks or projects simultaneously. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to inline editing Trello cards. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and start editing. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time.